Now you'll complete Bumpin' into Factors paper. And so if you read the directions, it says to complete the chart, then write the number of factors for each number on the bumper car with the matching letter. If your answers are correct, the sum of each row, column, and diagonal of car numbers will be the same. So A has the number 15. So if you'll go on the back of the paper, you can do your T chart like we've been practicing. And so 15 is our number. And remember, we go in order starting with 1. So we start with 1, and yes, 1 times 15 equals 15. 2, no, only even numbers would have 2. 3, yes, 3 times 5 equals 15. 4, no, and 5's already there, so I'm done. Now I need to write them in order. Again, start with the 1 and go around in a U shape to the top. And so our factors will be 1, 3, 5, and 15. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 factors. So a 4 goes over here, and a 4 goes down at the bottom in the A bumper car. Then, like it says, if you do it correctly, each row that's going across, column, so going up and down, and diagonal is going to add up to the same sum, the same addition answer. Good luck.